Okay guys, today I'm going to be teaching you the cursive T and the cursive F. As always, make sure you're in proper handwriting position and you have your paper slanted the way that it should be slanted. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that in my opinion, the cursive T and the cursive F are the most challenging letters. That's my opinion. So I just want you just to watch carefully, and you're probably going to need a lot of practice with these letters. They are very common letters. You'll be using them a lot. They're in a lot of proper nouns. You really need to know how to do these correctly. So just pay extra close attention, and when we are finished, make sure you practice, practice, practice. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with a teeny tiny slant down. We're going to go back up to the blue line, and you'll notice that I actually make a V when I do that. We're going to go across on the blue line just a tad, and then we're going to scoop under, kind of like we did with the Q up here, okay? And then you actually get to pick your pencil up. That's the top part of the cursive T. Then you're going to come back, and you notice how we went across on the blue line before we made our scoop, our little scoop under. We're going to put our pencil here. We're going to do a slanted line down. We're going to curve up to the dotted line, and then we're going to curve right. Okay? This is probably the most difficult part right here. And guys, it just takes a little practice. I mean, that's it. It just takes practice. Okay, so here we go again. Teeny tiny slant down, back up to the blue line. We're going to go across on the blue line, and then we're going to go down and make our little scoop, our little shallow bowl, just like we have with the Q. Come right here where we started our scoop under after we finished going across on the blue line. We're going to slant, we're going to curve up to the dotted line, and then we're going to curve right. Okay, teeny, teeny, tiny slant down, back up to the blue line, across, do your scoop, come back, slant down to the red line, up to the dotted line, and then curve right. Okay, I'm going to do a few more of these. Teeny, tiny slant down, up to the blue line, across, do your little scoop, pick your pencil up, come back right here, slant down to the red line, curve up to the dotted line, and curve right. Teeny tiny slant down, up to the blue line, across on the blue line, scoop under, back up, slant down to the red line, up to the dotted line, and curve right. Now, to do the capital cursive F, guess what we do? We just add a little cross right there at the dotted line. So if you can do the capital cursive T, then you can do the capital cursive F, because all you do is add this little slide, this little cross right here, okay? All right, let's do a couple more. Teeny tiny slant down, back up to the blue line, do our little scoop. Right here, slant down to the red line, curve up, and then we're going to curve right. That's a T. If you want it to be an F, you simply do that. These letters are freestanding. More good news. You don't have to worry about connecting them. So let's say we're going to write the word Tuesday. Teeny tiny slant down, back up to the blue line, do our little scoop, come back, slant down to the red line, up to the dotted line, curve right, and here is the word Tuesday. Okay, let's see. Let's do the word Friday. Teeny tiny slant down, back up to the blue line. We do our little scoop under, come back, slant, touch the red line, up to the dotted line, curve right. Then we need a cross because we're making an F. Okay, there's the word Friday. All right, guys, lots and lots of practice with these letters, okay?